South Africa, rent, petrol, data, biting, same. Here's how to make 10K in 7 days. Copy these 5 plays. What if you could make 10K in 7 days? Most side hustles want cash, gear, or ads, and DMs get lost before you get paid. I will show you 5 copy and paste plays with the exact math and proof, plus what to avoid. 3 need no capital, 2 under 300 rand, and 3 need 0 ads. What's up first? Pay on link. I will keep a running 10K counter on the screen. Each play tells you who is it for, the exact math, the tools, a 7-day plan, and the risk control. So you can copy, not guess. I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned legacy builder. I help friends in Johannesburg hit their first 10K week. You can too. If this lands, you cover data plus petrol this week. Ready? Starting with play number 1, WhatsApp pop-up class. You run a 90-minute WhatsApp class for a specific group like nurses in South Africa. This also works for teachers, security guards, call center agents, even caregivers. The value promise is simple, a live WhatsApp class. You leave with a feeling template that turns your knowledge into cash today. Here's the math. Guess the total. Okay, 80 tickets at 149 rand. That's 11,920 rand. Add 16 people for an extra class at 299 rand. That's 4,784 rand. Together, that's 16,704 rand in just 7 days. We are not building a funnel, we're paying rent. Set up a Google form, a pay link, a calendar invite, and WhatsApp groups to organize people. Then send 3 different messages, 1 to people who paid, 1 to people on the waiting list, and 1 to people joining the extra class. I once didn't segment. Half the room missed it. Never again. If you don't segment messages, people miss info and don't show up. Here's your 7 steps in 1 minute. Post a proof picture, seat sold or receipt. Run the live class. 80 seats only. Update the seat number twice a day. Fair rules. Miss this step and you don't just lose a sale, you lose tomorrow's referrals. Show a live seat number and blurred receipt. The first 20 buyers get a free 10-minute WhatsApp check-in. This pulls early buyers so the seat numbers move on day 1, not on day 6. My first WhatsApp class hit 53 seats in 48 hours. The live seat number did the heavy lifting. 3 levers next: price, proof, pace. Hit all 3 and it pops. Play number 2, AI headshots. Who it's for? People who want better work profile photos, solo or teams. Perfect for metric or unigrads, estate agents or co-working teams. Studio costs 900 rand. You charge 249 rand and deliver in 48 hours by working at 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. each day. Offer teams of 3 to 5 a deal at 399 rand with 2 touch-ups and a profile banner. That's how you make more per group. Quick guess, what does 40 people times 249 rand land? Right, 9,960 rand. Now, add small team of 10 who pay 399 rand each. That's 3,990 rand. Together, that's 13,950 rand in 7 days. If a selfie looks bad when they send it, you help them retake using a simple 1-page photo guide. Bad photo in, bad photo out. If their 3 best photos don't work, give them a free redo. If you are late, they get 30% off. Show before and after photos and the live number of open spots filling up. Offer 1 free touch-up if they post and tag you. That brings new people without you paying for ads. Each happy client show their new photos. That help brings about 10 more clients. Here's your 7-day plan. Book a place and make a simple sign-up page. Run the headshots day. Share quick behind-the-scenes clips. My photographer tried this at a shared office. 2 groups of 5 posted their new photos and his inbox blew up. No ads. Bad inputs eat time. Good inputs print money. Do this right and your inbox fills itself. Let's use other people's assets next. Play number 3, high value consignment. People have good phones and laptops lying around, but don't want the hassle of photos, listings, and meetups. So you sell them on their behalf and keep 20%. You can also move gaming consoles, DJ controllers, or power tools. Same system. Aim for 10 items. Guess the fees on 50K. 10,000 Rand at 20%. That's 20 Rand for every 100 Rand in a week. No home visits. Send the item out by courier or you meet in public place and you get paid by EFT on handover. One bad handover can wipe your week's profit. If the buyer's bank app is down, switch to e-wallet on delivery. Verify SMS plus PIN before handover. Add discipline. Agree stats, lowest or walkaway price. You write the ad, no haggling. This cuts most back and forth and makes every ad look the same wherever you post. Use 6 photos every time. Front, back, portrait, any scratches, and one with a common item for size. So people trust it fast. Focus rule. Get 5 buyer messages in 3 days. Or lower the price or stop selling that item. Work on only 10 items this week and say no to cheap items. Fewer, better items save time and make you look more professional. Here is your 7-day plan. Collect the items and write down the details. Take good photos and post on a few sites. Talk to buyers and meet safely to trade. If some items is not getting messages, lower the price a bit. Pay the owners, show what sold, and make a list for next week. Back at uni, I sold my neighbor's laptop for 6,000 Rand in 2 days using this photo template. When he saw how many buyer messages we got, he gave me 3 more items to sell. Want more simple money plays? Tap my playlist, how to make extra money on the side. Up here now and on the end screen. Paper chaos can pay you or cost you 2,500 Rand plus in penalties. Here's how to turn it into cash in 7 days. Play 4, text ready backlog. Advertise in your area. Here is what you say in your ad. If you've got no time and a box of receipts, I'll sort them out and deliver a neat text pack in 7 days. Reply text pack for the checklist. Best clients are Uber or Bolt drivers, tutors, hair and nail techs, and freelance creatives. 5 clients at 1,999 Rand each equals 9,995 Rand. Add 1 extra service for 499 Rand. Now you at 10,494 Rand in just 7 days. Your clients upload receipt photos to a shared folder. You auto-read them, organize them in a table. You export a tidy file plus simple what your client can claim guide so text time isn't a mess. Every day at 5 p.m., you send a list of receipts that look strange. They reply by 12 p.m. the next day. If they don't reply for more than 24 hours, the 7-day clock pauses until they answer. The final pack looks premium. A cover page, a simple chart of spending, and a before and after folder so clients and accountants trust it. Handle up to 300 receipts. Client can ask for 2 fixes. You finish in 7 days. If you miss the 7-day deadline, client gets 40% off. For additional 299 Rand a month, you can watch bank fees and rates and message clients when switching could save them money. Late or messy packs risk SARS penalties. Clean files avoid 2,500 Rand plus pain. Here is your 7-day plan. Set up the shared folder and collect receipts. Scan or read the receipts. Sort them into groups and make a list of any strange ones. Back in June, a designer messaged one of my students. Their simple spending charts showed she paid for data twice by mistake. The phone company refunded her and it covered my student's fees. Need help doing this? WhatsApp teach me to the number on the screen and I'll send you the checklist. In a minute, I'll show you how a clinic hits 14 bookings. First, the role that made it happen. Play number 5, local-based booking Blitz. In Pretoria East, you help a teeth whitening studio fill their calendar in 7 days. You can also run this for barbers, nail bars, lash studios, even physios. It's clean. 6,000 rand fees plus 10 bookings at 400 equal 10,000 rand in just a week. Message old customers and past inquiries first. They book 2 to 3 times more than strangers. No ads needed. First, fix the offer. Set a clear price. Add a today only extra and limit how many spots are available. For example, teeth whitening plus polish today only. Clear items sell better than fancy words. Promise the studio gets 12 bookings or half your fee. If and only if the studio owner keeps 10 slots open, replies in 10 minutes, and post the ads you provide. If the owner replies slowly, chairs stay empty and today's revenue gone. That's why we pre-block 10 slots. Each day, show real posts from happy customers and a simple counter of new bookings. At the end of the week, add up the result and make a short success story. To keep accounts safe, don't spam. Use different messages and start with people who already know the studio. Warm list first because cold DMs waste data plus time and can flag accounts. That success story helps you charge more for the same work next time. Here's your 7-day plan. Send lots of DMs or WhatsApps and post the launch. Send reminders and add a small bonus for booking today. A Pretoria clinic replied slowly on day 1. My student fixed it by setting aside 10 open times in the calendar, and she reached 14 bookings by day 7. Download the free side hustle pack. Checklist, calculator, template. It's free. Link below. Let's make it public. Hashtag 10K SA week. Pick the play you can run this week. Screenshot it, save it, match your style, post proof daily, execute for 7 days. Know someone who needs this? Share this video with them now. I started with a WhatsApp class because teaching there felt natural for me. Pick the one that feels easy for you too. Before you start, make sure your setup is safe and simple. Keep only the info you need to deliver orders. Delete if someone asks. And refund before you start work. When you sell or meet people, do it in a busy place and use a bank transfer when they get the item. Now launch. Pick your idea, set a limit, post a proof pic, and message your warm list first. It's safer, faster, and free. My first 10K week came from one picture showing how many seats were sold and a simple pay link. No ads, no website. The secret wasn't talent, it was tight scope, proof, and reminders. If you've made it this far, comment I'm a legacy builder. Join the 7-day public challenge, hashtag 10K SA week. Post daily proof for 7 days. Want help? WhatsApp teach me to the number on the screen and I'll help you one-on-one. I'm Ekow. I make money talk so you don't get played. Be a legacy builder. See you in the next one. Peace.